Today, we're stepping inside a motorhome that could change the way you think about travel forever. Where we explore the most remarkable machines on the planet, from cutting-edge supercars to the most luxurious motorhomes. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome, a vehicle that blends Toyota's legendary reliability with the comfort and functionality of a modern mobile home. This is not just a camper for weekend warriors. It's a versatile, high-tech, and well-engineered solution for long-term travelers, families, and adventurers who want a perfect balance between practicality, comfort, and innovation. Over the next hour, we'll walk through every aspect of this incredible vehicle, from its exterior design to the finer details of its interior, the performance under the hood, the technology that makes living on the road easier, its safety features, price and financial considerations, customization options, and of course, the key advantages that set it apart before giving you my final thoughts and call to action. The 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome brings a fresh, modern aesthetic to the camper market. Toyota's designers have given it a streamlined aerodynamic profile with a bold front fascia inspired by their latest SUV lineup. The grille is large yet clean, flanked by sleek LED headlights and daytime running lights that add a premium touch. Sculpted side panels reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency, while large tinted windows give the exterior a sense of openness that matches the spaciousness inside. The color options range from understated earth tones to adventurous two-tone paint schemes with contrasting roof lines. With a length that's just right for maneuverability, yet long enough to offer full living quarters, the 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome looks equally at home in an RV park, a remote camping site, or parked along a scenic coastal highway. Step inside and you're greeted by a space that feels airy, bright, and cleverly designed to maximize every inch. The cabin uses a combination of light wood finishes, soft touch materials, and Toyota's famously durable upholstery, available in premium fabric or leather. The main living space includes a convertible lounge area with a dining table, a kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage cleverly integrated into the walls and floor. The bedroom offers a full-size bed with underbed storage and a privacy partition, while the bathroom is compact but complete, featuring a shower, toilet, and modern sink. Ambient lighting, panoramic windows, and a skylight make the interior feel connected to the outdoors, and thoughtful touches like USB charging ports in every area ensure it's as functional as it is comfortable. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome offers a choice of a fuel-efficient 3.5-liter V6 hybrid powertrain or a more powerful turbocharged diesel option for those who need extra torque for towing and steep climbs. The hybrid system is especially appealing for long trips, delivering impressive fuel economy without sacrificing the ability to handle mountain passes and rough terrain. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the motorhome feels stable and confident on highways, winding roads, and gravel trails. Toyota has tuned the suspension to balance comfort and stability, and even in crosswinds or passing big rigs, it remains composed. With a towing capacity that can easily handle a small boat or trailer, this is a motorhome built for versatility. And just when you think this is just a comfortable camper, wait until you see the tech Toyota has packed inside. It might make your house feel outdated. Toyota has packed the 2026 Camper Motorhome with technology designed